Hi everybody, I'm Dave.
And I'm Brenda.
Today is just a beautiful day out. It's 70 degrees, not a cloud in the sky. So we're gonna take the drone and do a little filming over at Sawgrass Grove entertainment area and give you an update on where that stands. You may know Ezelle Recreation Center actually opened up right there beside it, but the Sawgrass entertainment area isn't quite ready. So today we'll give you a little bit of an update on where that stands. You ready to check it out?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, we are here at the Sawgrass Grove entertainment area. We'll get a little update of what's going on with the construction. And it's still a ways away from opening. The Ezelle Rec Center has opened. It opened a couple of days ago, and you can see the boxcar has been put behind the stage. All right, Brenda, if you can watch for traffic so I can scoot across and give me a win. We're going to fly over to McGraddy's pub and go over top of that.
Wait for one more truck to go by and then you're free.
Brenda is my spotter again today.
I am the spotter. Okay.
So I'm going to be watching the screen, watch the path over there too. I want to go over those carts.
All right. Wait a
car
second.
there. Boy, a lot of traffic here at the moment.
All of a sudden.
All right, I think I can make it. Let me zoom. Oh, I'm going to abort. We're going to wait right here.
Truck,
so that cart.
Golf cart.
All right, I think we're good.
Now, go now.
All right, we're going to scoot on across here.
Yeah, you're
and we're on a Sunday. Most of the construction crews are gone, which makes it very convenient for flying. So we'll scoot over. All right, let me get in position so you can see what's going on. Go back into this little construction lot that is empty. We'll spin around. All right, there. That is the entertainment area. Right there in our lower left corner, that's where the sound booth and all will be, and the stage is on the upper right. You can see the boxcar there. We'll get a close-up here in a minute. And right here is the Sawgrass Market, and the building behind the market right there is going to be a sales center for the villages. They have several of those. If you're interested in buying a home, they want to make sure there's plenty of sales centers for you. And then right here is McGraddy's pub. That'll be the restaurant that'll be right there on the entertainment area. Now, what I'm waiting for, the next exciting thing for this area, the stage, getting the boxcar in, I thought was pretty cool. But that area right there is going to be covered, is my understanding. It'll have a simulated orange grove that will cover the dance floor area, or where you can sit and watch the bands. So we're excited. I have no idea when that's coming, but that ought to be pretty exciting. Yep. All right, I'm gonna bring us on in here. Now let's go take a look inside. I got us in a perfect little spot here across the street where I can see behind the stage. And can drop us in pretty low and keep us in view. So we can really look around. And move this up. And turn towards the stage. And drop us a little lower. You let me know if I need to stop.
You're fine. You've got plenty of space.
This was a perfect spot that we were able to watch from. You might see us. In fact, let me turn over here. You probably see us across the street. There we are. We're over there. So we've got you in view. But that is the boxcar stage. That boxcar will be the backdrop to it. And we would not be able to do this once the canopy's in. We'll be underneath the canopy here. It should be awesome on rainy days. I'm hoping it'll help with some of the sun. It does get a little warm out at the squares. And we'll spin over here to the market. Now my screen, it's very bright out here, so it's hard for me to tell how distinct you can see inside there. Let's see if I can get a little closer. I think we're only gonna be able to get so close because of my position. But maybe you can see in the window a little bit. Now if you notice, those windows are not there yet. And my theory, I am speculating, I think that is part of the holdup here. I think that until those windows are in, I can't imagine they can do sheetrock or a lot of that type of work on the inside till they seal this building up, make it watertight. No fault of the developer on that. It's just circumstances of the way things are today getting materials. So until that happens, I suspect it's going to be a little while for this open. I was hoping for the first of the year. Who knows? Maybe. Again, it's just me speculating, but I'm not sure they're going to make that date. The first of the year. That's my date, not their date. So we'll see. If those windows show up and they seal it up, maybe things will move really fast. And I could be totally wrong. That might not be an issue to them. I love the look of this pub here. What's that?
We'll find out eventually.
Yes, we will. Right there, McGraddy's Pub. I think that is just going to be a cool looking building.
Yeah, I agree.
And it looks like 2 stories up there, but I imagine that is just a facade, maybe some attic space that they can do some storage in. But it's just a cool looking building in my opinion. And that is the bathrooms that'll be on that corner. And this is the sound booth, and underneath will be the beer hut, or that's what I call it. So the refreshments sold there. And you can see they will share. Let me zoom up here. Yep. And see the parking. This is a little bit of a concern for me. I think this would be a very popular area. Well, from the air, it is a lot of parking there. But I'm comparing the parking to a typical town square, and this could fill up if there's something busy going on in the rec center. People are coming to use all these other amenities, and then you have a lot of people coming to the market and to the music. That could be a busy parking lot. So bring your golf carts. That's probably going to be your best.
Get in there with your golf cart.
Bet. Over there, Clifton Cove putting course did not open with the rec center. It's not ready yet. They haven't put the holes in. You can see where each little putting area is. That's distinct in the grass now. I'll come over here a little bit towards it. We'll stay in this. Stop here, let that guy go by. All right. Right underneath here, you can kind of see the outlines. And go up and see what it looks like from way up high. And actually, you can see the actual putting areas. And it's supposed to be 18 holes, I believe. There's some of it around here to the right. Once I get up to height, I'll spin it a little bit. And I'm trying to remember, and maybe some of our viewers out there will know, the other putt and play, I thought there was like the bumper rails that went around each of these areas. Like there were metal railings to keep the ball within that part of the course. So that's what I'm guessing. If that's true that they had bumper rails, I'm guessing that has not arrived. I haven't seen that laying around anywhere. So again, it may be a supply chain issue. So I thought this was scheduled to open with Ezelle, but it's not quite ready. But it'll be fun when it does open. All right, so let me zip back over, get over here in our construction area. And we take your final look at the square. Actually, let me pull across the street here. Let me know when I come back over to our side.
2 golf carts and then you're free. Hold on. This.
All right, okay, we're going for it. Right now. We're zooming across.
Right now.
We'll get out here over the water. There won't be anybody underneath me. All right. Get you a view from this side of the complex. All right, there's the Sawgrass Market and the entertainment complex. Ezelle right there behind it. You can see this is just a huge entertainment area. So it's exciting times. I think that'll be opening up shortly after, my guess, Homestead Recreation Center probably is next. And we'll spin out this way. While we're here, I'm just going to give a little glimpse. See some of the golf course there. That is the Southern Oaks Golf Course. That is open, championship golf course. And over here you can see that Case and Hammock is really moving along. We're going to get in there and do our typical villager's guide to Case and Hammock. Just waiting another week or two, let them clean the roads up. There are homes for sale. It doesn't look like anybody's moved in yet. I mean, there's several have actually been sold.
Yeah.
That are pending.
Pending, yeah.
But I haven't seen any cars in the driveways yet. But I imagine that's coming any day.
Trucks.
The pool right there does appear to be open, the neighborhood pool.
Mm-hmm.
And some people had asked me what it looked like out here towards the road where those houses starting to finish up. You can see some of them have, starting to see some grass in some areas. That's the main entrance right there into Case and Hammock. All right, that's all for today. I appreciate you guys out there watching our videos. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. And if you would, hit the like button on it. Also, those likes actually help us quite a bit in how they rank our videos. So I appreciate if you do that. And if you look on the YouTube screen, there's a little bell there. And if you ring the bell, it'll notify you the next time we explore the villages. See you next time.
Bye.